Do you know where the food you ate today came from? The vast majority of us don't. Do you know where the feed that was fed to your food came from? Even fewer do. How much impact did the production of that food have on our environment? There's just no way of knowing that, right? And how much of the price you paid for that food would you guess made it back to the farmers who produced it? It's much less than you think. Studies show the more farmers receive, the better the quality of the foods they produce and the methods they employ to produce it. Yet the vast majority of our food is controlled by just 10 huge public corporations. These are middlemen who leave razor-thin margins for our farmers and focus on profits, often at the expense of sustainability. But what if there was a way to democratize things? That's why we created Grow United. Grow's mission is to decentralize the global agriculture and farming industries, using blockchain technology to do things that until now have been impossible. We all want to live in a world where consumers are more connected to the foods we eat, more connected to the earth we all share, more connected to those running the farms that feed us, and more connected to the impacts our decisions make for all of us. Grow United launched the Grow blockchain with a mission to nourish the world by providing three things: transparency, traceability, and trust. Transparency, giving anyone the ability to see in real time the path their food took to arrive at your plate, including anything that was fed to it, sprayed on it, or injected in it. Traceability. Grow United is working on an instant notification system to alert you if something you purchased has a recall or health alert. Trust. The Grow United logo is peace of mind. When you see produce carrying our seal, you can purchase with confidence, knowing each item is rigorously inspected, tracked, and verified on the blockchain for quality. Grow United is working on green initiatives like planting trees, grasses, and cultivating wetlands to balance out the carbon emissions of food production. These carbon credits are stored on the blockchain and purchased by those seeking to achieve their net zero goals. Grow United is also investing heavily in vertical farming projects that increase food production while reducing their carbon footprint. So join our mission, and together, let's grow.